Hey, it's Martin here, your Kangen water guy, and today we're talking about connecting up the water system to your caravan, your motorhome, whatever you want to do. So what we've actually got here in the first step, in my opinion, is to make sure that the source water that you're getting from the tap, which is over there as we can see, basically that when it travels through your food grade hose, so you make sure you've got a blue hose and it is actually food grade water grade, whatever. It's not hose pipe. Genuine hose pipe from the garden is going to make your water taste like crap. Okay, so you need good hose pipe. What you'll notice here is that along the line from the tap, I've actually got a pre-filter in here. This is just a standard pre-filter. There's nothing fancy about it. It's actually from the local hardware store. I think it was about 30 bucks. That's Australian, Stefani. So it says there, universal caravan water filter. Now, it does remove just a little bit of stuff. It's not going to do a lot. Some people, this is enough for them, but really, with everything around the education that I do, it's all about making sure that you're getting cleaner, healthier water on a higher level, especially when we get into the likes of the Enagic Kangen water machines. So this is the first stage, and as you can see, it's going straight into the van. So also, these two here are the tanks. So we've got two 80 litre tanks of water for fresh water. Whenever I fill these up, then I'm going to use this exact setup and I'm going to go straight into there and fill up 160 litres of water that's been pre-filtered with this as well. So let's now go inside the van and I'll show you my next setup within there as well. So let's have a look in the shower, and as you can see when we go in, this is the setup for the shower. It's a standard setup, nothing fancy about it, but we do have the hose that is here to basically that came with the Enespa, and the shower head from the Enespa. So that's from the Enespa there, but all of the water fittings come through here. So this is where the water flows through. So naturally this is the other side of the shower, so let's have a look. Okay, so when we look inside the cupboard, this is the setup that we've got. Now, the cold water supply comes up through this blue pipe. It comes out the top here, and then it comes out of this white long pipe. And what I did was, this used to go down. I used to be pointing down here into this, because this is the other side of the shower. And it was on this little angle here, like so. So the water came straight into it and it was on that. So what I've actually done is I've put a flexi hose straight off that, come down straight into the Enespa shower. So the inlet is coming in, it then goes through and gets filtered and remineralized, and then the water channels through this pipe and it goes straight into the shower. That's where it goes. So we know when we look at that piece where I said the water comes through, that's exactly where it is. Now there's a couple of things that I did extra here. You'll notice that this would normally be on the top. That's probably, let's just say, the shower side, and this is the bath side. Well, what I did was I took that off, put the jointer on, put that bit of flexi hose in straight in there. I also used the fixing suction bracket. It doesn't really do too much, and especially with a lot of the areas we go, where we travel, we've got a full off-road van, so we do a lot of corrugations and stuff. This would have just bounced everywhere. So I just got some mesh, screwed it on this side here, wrapped it around, and then screwed it on the other side, and it's basically in place. It's not going to go anywhere. So that's our shower setup as well. We don't at the moment have pre-filtered water for the basin. However, we have bought a water filter that we're going to fix on, because we have noticed that some of the water that's come out the tanks when we're brushing our teeth and so on, it tastes a bit crap. Bottom line, it doesn't taste very good at all. So we're just going to put on a little basic filter in there. So we've got another one that's going to just help clean the water. That's the overview of the installation of the Enespa shower system. Super basic. You're going to find the way that you need to do it based on your own setup, but you can make it work. These were just parts from the local hardware store, and to be fair, when you know the power of having an Enespa shower, you're definitely going to want to be having it every day. So thanks for your time. Look forward to educating you further. Bye for now. Enjoying my YouTube channel? Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to receive further value.